Hey friends, welcome back to StayAdventure. This morning we are off on the Seal Island cruise. We've just arrived in Hout Bay and we can't wait to get moving. Soon we'll be out on the sparkling Atlantic, spotting playful seas and enjoying the ride. Time to get off the bus. Let's go. As we head toward the dock, the street is lined with colorful curio shops full of crafts, souvenirs, and local charm. Across the street, a teacher and her students are performing near a coffee spot, bringing rhythm and energy to the scene. As we got closer, we noticed tourists gathered around. And then we spotted it, a big brown seal standing on the ground with its owner. It was amazing to watch, with visitors taking turns to pose and enjoy a fresh fish treat. Soon it was our turn and we couldn't wait to take our own photos. Our first time posing with the seal, what a fun moment! Just a few steps away, a group of men in costume and face paint were performing at the dock, dancing and playing instruments with big smiles. Such a spontaneous, lively moment. We even saw a tourist joining in, recording videos and moving to the rhythm.
আমরা আছি এখন সিল আইল্যান্ড আইল্যান্ডে আমরা দেখতে যাবো সিল দিস আইল্যান্ড ইজ নাইস আমরা বিশাল বড় কিউ এখানে বিশাল বড় কিউ এবং পাশাপাশি দেখা যাচ্ছে একটা সিলও দেখা যাচ্ছে
We are finally boarding the ferry. With tickets in hand, we join the queue with everyone else, buzzing with excitement. The deck rocks gently beneath our feet as we grab our spots. Take a deep breath and get ready for what's ahead. Seal Island, here we come.
আর এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ক্রুজ Seal Island e jawa cruise ekhane. This is the cruise to Seal Island and we are going there just now. We already passed the seal. It was very happy, a nice moment. Oh, very nice.
We're going to Seal Island. As the ferry leaves the dock, the coastline fades behind us. The sun's shining, the waves sparkle, and the gentle rocking of the boat feels amazing. And then it hits us. We are really out on the Atlantic, experiencing it for the first time, and it's so exciting. This is going to be a thrilling adventure.
Island আর এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের গ্রুপ তারা সবাই পিছনে sitting in out. It's very cool. Oh my god. Really feel the cold now. Oh my god. আমাদের গ্রুপ আমরা সবাই একসাথে যাচ্ছি হ্যালো হাইলে We are in Seal Island. Hello, Singapore. Wow, this wind is very strong. I need to hold the camera, and they already warning us because it's very strong. Yeah, the people here is waiting our group, and this is really nice. We are going to Seal Island and going to see the seal, and we will show you around. Thank you.
As we were enjoying the sail, suddenly a wave splashed right on our faces. Our hair got a little damp, and just a moment later, another wave sprayed us again. The Atlantic was lively, and it made the ride so much fun.
Hey, you have put me in the front. Come this side, sorry, come this side. Fully wet.
Hey, look at that right here, right?
Huh?
Come back inside. Okay.
The crew advised us to stay seated for safety as the ferry rocked on the choppy waves. All around, the endless Atlantic sparkled under the sun, and on both sides, we enjoyed the stunning Capetown coastline and the mountain ranges. Feeling the ferry bob with the waves and seeing the ocean stretch endlessly ahead, what an amazing experience out here in the middle of the ocean.
Was very heavy, strong, pretty strong build. This is. বাইরে থেকে ব্যালেন্স করে তার মধ্যে উঁচু ক্ষমতা নেই। It's really heavy, very heavy. Oh my god. Oh god. এই যে লায়ন হেড মাউন্টেনের পাশে দিয়ে আমরা যে আটলান্টিক ওশেন, ও মাই গড, এটা আসলে কল্পনা করার মতো না। কত যে ভালো লাগতেছে, আমার এদিকে ভয়ও লাগতেছে, কারণ জাহাজটা খুবই উঠানামা করতেছে। আসলে এটা না দেখলে আর নিজে না বসলে আসলে বলার মতো না। ও মাই গড, ইটস রিয়েলি খুব ডিফিকাল্ট, মানে কন্ট্রোল করা, ব্যালেন্স করাটা খুবই কন্ট্রোল। Video action. Yes, action. এই যে সিলগুলি দেখেন, এই যে পুরো এই পুরো যে জায়গাটা পুরোটাই সিলে বড়, তারা রুদ্রের মধ্যে শুকাইতেছে মনে হয়। Taking the outside. Yeah.
We finally reached Seal Island. The ferry stopped for a while, giving us time to admire the view and capture photos and videos. Seals were scattered across the rocks, some lounging, some stretching, and others slowly moving about. From the upper deck, the whole scene felt even more alive, and it was amazing to see them up close in their natural habitat.
আটলান্টিক ওশনের পার গেছে, এটা একটা ছোট্ট একটা আইল্যান্ড।
Unfortunately, position in the form of nylon ropes, nets, bait box traps, plastic waste do take their toll on the seals. As a company, we're doing everything we can to reduce the terrible effect that the Groot is having on our fuel population and oceans alike. Attempting to eliminate the use of plastic to other companies while possible, and urge you to make your recycling bins available on board.
Yeah, you can.
যে আনারকলি নিচে থেকে নিতেছে আনে এই guys আমরা really now in the seal island and you can see behind in front of us seal island. We are just close to the seal island, although it's very strong wind here and very hard to stand, actually really very hard. It's like going up and down. And this is the Seal Island, almost leaving now. Yeah, and this is Atlantic Ocean. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, যেভাবে আসতেছে দেখেন দেখেন আমার বসে যেতে হবে যেভাবে আসতেছে ও
As the ferry turned back to the dock, we took one last look at Seal Island. Most of the seals launched on the rocks while a few moved about lazily. The calm waters reflected the surrounding mountains and the stunning coastline of Hout Bay, made for a serene and memorable end to this part of our cruise. After stepping off the ferry, we explored the dock and curio shops. We spotted the teacher and her students performing again and grabbed a quick photo with them. Then we enjoyed some coffee and snacks.
What you buy? Coffee? Cappuccino?
And took one last look at the dog before heading back to the bus. Time to hop on the bus and leave Hout Bay behind as we continue our adventure. This Seal Island cruise was such an unforgettable experience. Next we are off to Groot, Constantia Winery. Stay tuned.